In this video, we are looking at factored and standard forms of polynomials. This is the standard form. Notice you start from the highest degree going down. The good thing about this one, it's easy to tell the y-intercept and the degree. But if you need to see the x-intercept, you have to graph it. For example, this one, the degree is the highest exponent, which is 4. For the y-intercept is given by d, or the constant. On the other side, here we have the factored form. It's also called the intercept form. This one you can see the zeros. And they are right here, p, q, and k. If you substitute each of these into the function, you get a 0. So here we have an example of writing f of x in standard form. This is already in intercept form. We write it in standard form. We determine the degree and the y-intercept. Okay, so I'm going to multiply these together. I'll do these two together. I'll take the first two, I multiply them, and I'm going to use a table. 3x 2, and then I'm going to have x and 5. I like to use a table because it's very visual and I can be able, if I make a mistake, I'll be able to tell easily. So 3x squared, this is 2x, this is 15x, and this is 10. And what do I get here? I get 3x squared, and combine the like terms here. That's plus 17x plus 10. Okay, and see, I can always check. So x, 3x squared, 2x, 15x, I can be able to easily. So now I'm going to take what I got, and it's right here, 3x squared, 17x, and 10, and then I'm going to multiply it by x and 1. So this is 3x cubed, 17x squared, 10x, and this is 3x squared, 17x, and this is 10. And now I just need to combine the like terms. Those are like terms, these are like terms. So now I just write my final answer here, 3x cubed plus 20x squared plus 27x plus 10. So f of x. This is standard form. And you can see now, I can see the degree. The degree is the highest exponent, which is 3. The y-intercept is, if I plug in 0 into the equation, I get 10. So I have gotten the y-intercept and I have gotten the degree. So that's how to do that. And of course, you can also be able to find the degree. For example, that's 3x, there is another x, there is another x. So that means those are x times x times x, that's x cubed. So I can be able to tell the degree is 3 even without multiplying it out. I could also be able to find the leading coefficient. So it's 3 times 1 times 1, it's 3, like I have here. So if I was finding, for example, telling like the add behavior, I wouldn't have to multiply all this. But that's how to convert from factor to standard form.